In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Cristiano Ronaldo caricature using Canva AI. This is a fun and creative way to explore digital art using Canva's powerful tools. Whether you're an experienced designer or a complete beginner, these steps will guide you through the process effortlessly. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Canva. If you haven't already set up an account, you can do so for free on their website. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, you have the option to create a new design or open an existing project if you've already started working on something. For the purpose of our task today, let's go ahead and create a new file. Simply select the type of file you'd like to work on, whether it's a social media post, presentation, or any other format Canva offers. Next, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Here, you want to click on Apps. This is where Canva houses its powerful tools and features. In the search bar in the Apps section, type in Magic Media. This tool will enable us to generate unique images, which is exactly what we need for our caricature. Once you've found Magic Media, you'll want to choose Text to Image. This is a feature that allows Canva to create images from written descriptions. A prompt box will appear where you'll describe the image you want to create. In this case, you could write something like Cristiano Ronaldo Caricature, exaggerated features, cartoon style. Be as detailed and creative as you like. This will help the AI understand the artistic flair you're aiming for. After providing your description, you'll need to choose an image style. Canva offers various styles that can affect the final look of your caricature, from realistic to cartoonish, depending on your preference. Take a moment to decide which style resonates with your vision for the caricature. When you're ready, go ahead and click Generate Image. The AI will take it from here, using your description and style choice to create a unique caricature of Cristiano Ronaldo. It may take a few moments, so be patient as the AI works its magic. Once your image is generated, take a look and see if it meets your expectations. If it does, it's time to share your creation. You can do this by clicking on the Share button and selecting Download. Choose the PNG format for the best quality and save it to your device. And there you have it, a delightful caricature of Cristiano Ronaldo created in just a few minutes using Canva AI. Feel free to use these steps to experiment with different characters or styles. Thank you for watching and happy designing.